going to be reviewing this Play-Doh set. It's like a hamburger hot dog set, you know, daily American food.
So, yeah. So let's open it.
And Mia and I have two separate Play-Dohs because we wanted to make sure that we had
enough
extra colors just in case. Because we don't know what size those are. They might be a little bit small.
Judging by the box, although my hand does make it a bit smaller because I have a tiny hand. Or not a tiny hand, tiny fingers. Whoa, I thought this was bigger.
Oh, man. Oh, well.
But look, they have watermelon and lettuce and tomato and pickles and I don't know what these are. They look like donuts.
Onion rings.
Oh, ew. They're not huge, but you know.
First,
this is a regular one and that's one of them.
Here's what we're going to do. Hamburger and hot dogs, and then we're going to be doing freestyle.
So you want to make a hamburger or a hot?
Hamburger.
Okay, I'll do hot dog. And I want to use the French fry maker.
Okay.
Because I feel like onion rings can go with hot dogs, but they can't go with hamburgers.
You mean the other way around, right? Can't we both use the French fry maker?
Oh, can I use both?
Can we use those donuts?
Oh yeah, let's make pink and green donuts. So the colors we have is yellow, red for tomato, this is for cheese, brown for the patties. Oh, this is also for the hot dogs.
And then for the bun, we have this brownish, tannish color, like a bun.
Green for lettuce and or pickles. We also have these two. I think I'm going to make some pink watermelon.
We have a bag of tools.
And I believe this makes French fries, but it needs something in front of it.
Yeah, maybe.
Like this? Wait, how would this make French fries? I'm so confused.
Oh, look. The thing that makes French fries is this. See?
Oh.
And then you put it with that. No, look.
What? Oh.
And then you choose the shape you want. You obviously want rectangular French fries, right?
I don't know. So this is what it looks like. Let's move the plate out of the way. They saw none of that. Anyway, this is what it looks like, and you change the shape you want. You can have like curly fries or single French fries coming out. I'm gonna use the square one. So
I want to do curly fries, if you can.
Slide it in there. And then you would put your Play-Doh in and squish it. And this is the grill. So outside of the grill, you can make watermelon, lettuce, pickles, big onion rings, small onion rings, aka big donuts and small donuts.
I have a Pikachu hat.
I haven't had those. And then you can make tomatoes.
If you're from Peppa Pig.
Yeah. And then on the inside, you can make bun, which is this and this one go together and they make a bun. And you can make a hot hamburger, a hot dog, a mushroom, because everyone likes mushrooms on their burgers, except for Jackie, and onions, which I don't like at all.
No one likes.
So you would put them inside of here, and you would close it, and then you would open it.
You know what would be cool, Mia? They probably have this, but a pancake one. It'd be so cool. Pancakes
I'm like, yeah,
probably.
I have no idea. Oh, look! You slide this on so it opens and closes.
Yeah.
That's so weird.
Anyway, we each get a plate.
Don't you want to be happy like these two kids?
Mia, because this makes you happy.
Apparently. What is this?
Anyway.
Nice.
We're going to get started.
So I'm going to get my bread for the hot dog.
I'm going to be using the brown for my patty. Like a Krabby Patty, you know, if you're from SpongeBob.
Krabby Patty, Krabby Patty, Krabby Patty.
But Mia, you can't always get what you want.
You can't have your cake and eat it too, unless it's your birthday. I don't understand that saying at all.
It doesn't make sense.
Because you can always have your cake and eat it too.
We know what it means, but it just doesn't make sense.
Like if you eat a cake, you're going to eat it. Buy a cake, you're going to eat it. Okay, so
anyway, moving on.
Don't forget to make your bun. I think I'm going to make the onions and mushrooms just for fun to see how they look out. See how they turn out.
I was thinking about it, but I'm not sure.
Of what?
No, about the onions and stuff.
Yeah. Sorry.
If there were pickles, that'd be cool. Are there pickles? I don't know. I'm not ready yet.
Yes.
I need to do my.
I'm not making it ready. I'm propping it up somewhat. I'm gonna put a little bit, tiny bit of brown, of light brown, and I'm gonna put some dark brown on it. I love how my hot dog is up there, like half of it.
Anyway, I think
I'm almost done.
Don't
forget your bun.
Yeah, that's what I was about to grab. Anyway, let's see. Gotta grab all that delicious dough, Mia. Delicious dough.
I want pink onions. Jackie, do you understand how these things are supposed to be opened?
Yes.
How?
You pull it and twist it.
What? You mean
Do you think I should add a little bit more brown?
yeah, put it on both sides. That's what I do on my hot dog. And you know, onions are definitely bright pink now. Nowadays, onions are always bright pink.
It's just like...
They're all gonna smush into each other, aren't they?
Maybe I shouldn't put this.
Yeah, put a little bit in here.
I'm gonna be safe for the first time.
All right, guys, are you ready for this? What?
I'm gonna be safe. And if it doesn't
Put
work
it back
out,
in. Just a little bit.
Just a little bit.
Okay. So while our patties cook, we're gonna be making some stuff on top. So I definitely want some watermelon.
In your burger, in your hot dog?
No, on the side.
Well, I want some too, so after you're done with that...
I steal your green.
Mia, can you use this green? This is my green. And I didn't even get to use it yet.
Sorry.
Oh,
You can use my pink
someone
for the
put
watermelon.
Yeah, but you already used it. Doesn't matter. Anyway, it's fine. I was gonna use this hot pinkish color.
You know, I can never get stuff out of these molds. The tomato.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna put some lettuce.
I love tomatoes. I have a picture when I was a baby, and there's tomato all over my face, like in
In my
every
baby
direction.
pictures, I have mosquito bites on my face. That's what
funny.
I have on my face.
Like on my baby picture. Wait, how do I make my hot dog bun?
What? What do you mean?
How do I make my hot dog bun?
You fold it, don't you?
Fold what?
You get one and then you fold it.
We get a hot dog bun.
No.
What?
Like, I think you could use the thing you use for the burger and then you fold it sort of.
Maybe you can use this to roll it out. You guys want to see some French fries? Let's see if this works.
Amazing.
Wow.
I love them.
They look like French fries.
I want curly fries though.
You can just curl these.
Yeah, but I want curly fries.
There's no curly fry setting.
Yes, there is.
It's just a setting that makes the fries a bit wavy. I'm making curly fries, Jackie. You can both have them. Okay, you guys can't see it, but she just dropped all the Play-Doh on her pants.
Not that much Play-Doh. I didn't drop that much Play-Doh.
It's only because there wasn't that much to drop. Right, Jackie? Oh, do you want a pickle?
Of course I do.
I hate pickles. I am sorry. I just can't handle vinegar. But you know, I know there's like sweet pickles. I've never tried them, so yeah. I'm sorry for the outrage. Guys, we're gonna burn our patties.
Oh, yeah.
Jackie, you should have put more. These are supposed to be two separate things because it's a bun.
Oh, yeah. Can I retry this?
My hot dog looks pretty nice.
My burger seems fine.
Looks a little stale. And it's a burger, so I don't think that's a good thing.
My burger looks stale?
Yes.
What?
I don't know. It's hard to explain. My French fries are twice the size of my hot dog. I want those types of
Your
French fries.
bun is stale. You don't even have one yet.
Doesn't make sense.
I don't know. I'm just trying to be funny.
Imagine. It's funny because it's not true. This is my amazing mushroom.
Can I tell them what I want to do next week?
Okay,
What I
sure.
want to do next week? Next week I want to get calico critters.
You know what I want to do next week?
What?
Open them.
Oh my goodness.
Onion. Jackie, I can't put an onion on a hot dog, so you're just going to have to put an onion on there.
No, I'm not.
Please.
Put that on the side. I don't
To
want
make it look cool.
I don't want
But you
it.
need everything.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do. You don't even have lettuce.
Yes, I do. It's.
I'm joking.
Can I?
What?
Can I flatten it for my
Oh,
baby?
yeah. I don't have anything in there except for an onion and a lime.
Oh. There we go.
Now cut it in half with this amazing knife.
I'm not sure about this. I'm not ready.
Hey, where's my plate? Oh, here it is. My Play-Doh plate.
Oh no. You do it.
What?
I can do
Okay,
it.
I'm sorry if I messed it up.
Never mind. I don't want you to do it.
Well, can I borrow the... Thank you. I love how I make a perfect hot dog bun. Not perfect, but like, not horrible. And I completely messed up Jackie's burger bun.
It was good before.
You know, except you couldn't put anything inside of it.
I'm gonna make my own bun.
Fries. You know what this needs?
What?
A slice of watermelon.
Of course it does.
How do I get this out?
What do you mean? You just take it out.
But it's gonna get
You're
all
supposed to
messy.
leave like a little bit apart there so you can.
No one ever told me that. It's not in the Play-Doh instructions that this doesn't have.
Look. You didn't. Mia, you ruined my pickle.
You can put more Play-Doh in that. Fan.
I need more than one pickle.
Oh, duh. Patient no one. Obi-Wan, you're my last hope. Jackie doesn't get that because she's a Star Trek fan and she doesn't like Star Wars.
That's not true. I just like.
Because
I just like
everybody
Star Trek.
says that Star Trek is worse, and it was last, and it's like the makeup version. So she doesn't like that because
It's so not true because Star Trek came first and it has way more movies than Star Wars, and they think they have more movies.
see.
Sorry, guys. Sorry, Star Wars fans out there.
It's not that she doesn't like it.
It's just
that-
that I prefer Star Trek.
Yeah. And I don't care. I'm joking. I like both of them. I don't have a preferred.
You're not gonna reveal your.
No, Jackie, I actually don't care.
You made it too small. Yeah. Can I make one? Okay.
Can I put some mushrooms on my side of your burger?
What happened to my
Okay.
French fries?
This is you? Because I didn't do that. I told you, it's not. These are like steak fries.
Okay, well,
They're not
can I
curly
redo
fries.
it?
You have to curl your own fries.
I didn't want mushrooms.
Well, you didn't say no.
But I didn't say yes.
Exactly. But you didn't say no. I didn't make any.
Very
argument.
compelling argument, Mia.
I like your argument too, which isn't one, so. You know what's a better argument than yours?
Mine.
What?
I don't know.
What? I said what's a better. Okay.
I know.
Don't you guys love my trick?
What's your trick?
Oh, well, it doesn't work on the tomato, apparently. I love how they can't see anything we're doing. We'll get a better setup. It's because they were doing something in Jackie's room. So, they were putting something together.
I know, and my room is like the
For her
best setup
birthday.
ever. Not for my birthday.
So I told her that we have to come over here, so now we're going to go see it.
Something for my birthday.
Mm-hmm.
It's my bed frame.
That's just what they want you to think.
No, because I know it's my bed frame.
Sure.
Plus, they don't really know what I want for my birthday. You know what I want for my birthday, though, because I told you a lot.
Calico critters?
But I want the house. And calico critters, of course.
I love how I'm playing with your burger.
You put too much stuff on it.
Okay, I only put a tomato on there.
Actually, I don't want the cheese. I changed my mind.
No, you need cheese. It doesn't look like a hamburger without cheese.
Said no one ever.
Said me 5 seconds ago. Duh. Mating.
Hey, Mia, are you Mater?
Are you Mater?
No.
Thought.
Exactly. I don't know.
Like I said.
You're Mater.
You're Mater. You're a tomato.
But you're a tomato.
You're a tomato. You're a tomato. Come on.
Sure.
You're a tomato.
You're a tomato.
You're a tomato.
But you're the actual tomato, you know.
No, you're the actual tomato.
But she's the actual tomato, guys.
She's the actual tomato. She's just trying to fool you. I love how this doesn't matter at all, but we're fighting about it.
Well, we're obviously joking.
You're a tomato.
You're a tomato.
You're a tomato.
You're a tomato.
You're such of a tomato, you can't even pronounce tomato.
I did it on purpose, though.
Sure.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
So this is my lunch.
Mine's not done yet.
Do you want me to make you some fries? I'm apparently pretty good at it.
No. Just make the fries and then I'll cover
Jackie, you left something in here.
No.
What even is that?
I didn't leave anything in
No. What's this?
there. Your onion, probably.
Your onion.
I mean, your onion's right there, but it's probably from your onion.
I didn't even take it out, so technically.
I took it out because it was
Exactly.
about to mix with my burger.
Oh my gosh. That's catastrophic.
It is, isn't it?
May or may have not mixed this Play-Doh. Alright guys, so this is my ending food.
Mine's not done yet. But I have a burger so far, and it's a big one. And I didn't turning out that well.
Guys, watch our next video if you want to find out what this is.
And
Who knows?
And if you're like me and don't want to find out what it is, then go ahead and don't find out what it is.
No, you gotta find out what it is.
Yeah, obviously, I'm joking.
Obviously. Being so obvious about it.
It's so obvious.
Said no one ever.
Said only Jackie. I don't know, man.
We're so feisty today.
We're just joking.
Guys, I might start ballet at some point in my lifetime.
But me too.
Guys, we got a cat at some point in our life.
Uh-huh.
Because the last time we filmed the video here, we were talking about we were about to get a kitten. In our other channel, which you guys should go.
Should totally go check
Do you
out.
need help?
No, obviously not.
You squished them.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
They're
They're squished. They're so squished. Squished.
They look fine to me, so.
Squish. So guys, we're almost done with this portion of the video, and if Jackie ever wants to get to the next portion, then she has
I
to
do
hurry
want
up.
to get to the next person.
I'm
so almost
take
done.
a poll. Which do you like better?
Well, I'm not done yet, so it's not
Wait.
fair.
Let me finish.
Do a hashtag.
Mia's dog is the hottest. Or Sternberger.
Sternberger. He doesn't have eyes right now, but he's a very stern burger.
You can tell from his seeds. Alright, so we'll clean this up in time lapse, and then we're going to talk about the next portion.
Okay, so
Our next portion
is going to be an entree.
It is?
Yes.
Alright, well, I'm making a stock,
A what?
which is a steak in Mia language.
Oh.
A stock.
With a stalk of asparagus, right?
Yeah, I am making asparagus. So please vote which one comes out better.
I think mine is. No, I'm joking.
No, mine's definitely going to be better.
You don't know that.
I'm pretty sure. I've had experience making steak before in Play-Doh.
I have experience of making ravioli before in Play-Doh.
I've been to so many Play-Doh 5-star restaurants, aka made them up and given food to my mom. Since I was
too.
like,
we did it with each other.
no, when I got old enough to play with it first, so technically, technicalities, Mia. You're gonna make how many of those?
A few, not that many.
Maybe you should make them smaller. Wait, sorry, don't take advice from me. I'm a competitor.
Cause you have bad advice, right?
Yep. Maybe it's a mind trick. Maybe I actually have horrible advice. And I'm telling you this to trick you.
Well, yeah, but I'm not gonna do that.
But how do you know that?
Because I've done this before.
I still think you should have actually made them smaller.
I'm not gonna do that many though.
Does this not look like a steak? You're like, no.
I have a suggestion. Like, you know how a hashtag goes like that?
That's what I'm doing. I have a suggestion. You know how a hashtag goes? That's what I'm doing. It doesn't work.
I meant with this.
I think that's tedious. Word of the day.
Tedious.
That's from our kids show, Ziggy and Zag.
That we made up.
It's actually airing on TV on Monday on Nick Jr. Go watch it. It's funny because I didn't tell you yet. Anyway, how does your food look?
So far, so good.
So far, so horrible.
You don't like it?
My food! They look like empanadas though. Your food?
But that's not what, this is what ravioli is.
I know, but they also look like empanadas.
Okay.
Which is basically rounded ravioli. But half of a rounded ravioli. I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing, by the way. Most of the time, I just do it for like somebody who won't care if it looks like poop. So, right, Jackie? Like, if I already gave you something that looked horrible, you didn't be like, take this back to the Play-Doh kitchen. Disgusting. You wouldn't have done that, right?
No.
So, I know my food isn't amazing. You know, it's not bad for a stack. Wow.
What?
Look at the size of the plate and the size of the stock. It's my second nature now, basically. I said it so many times that it's second nature. Ooh, I want to put flour on my stock. Is that what you're doing?
No.
Cool. Is that bacon?
It's sauce.
Oh man, bacon would be better. I'm gonna put bacon on my plate.
You're probably gonna win.
No, I'm not. Because of the bacon? Or what?
Because you have like really awesome stuff, and I'm just making.
Hers looks really nice. I love our snack talk. So there's some bacon bits. Like, oh my god, you just gotta have those bacon bits. Does this look like bacon?
It needs brown or white or something
Yeah,
else.
it needs white, but I don't have any white, so.
Okay, here's what I have so far.
I'm not ready.
I said so far.
I'm not ready.
Me either.
I'm not ready for my so far.
Oh.
Wait, I thought this was the entree. Don't we need to make the sides in a different plate?
Yeah.
So we're just making this, but it won't look good without the sides.
Well, you can have like garnishes and a little side or something.
This is very
Mia, you're. Okay then.
No.
What are you making?
You know? I'm making you know. You all know what it is?
Yes.
I said you all know what it is.
Oh, I thought you wanted to know what it is.
Silento. 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 Hey, watch me whip. Now watch me nanny. Now watch me whip, whip. Now watch me nanny. Watch me whip. Now watch me nanny. Watch me whip, whip. Now watch me nanny. This is steak. It's some caramelized meat. It's a steak with some mushrooms and cream sauce along with lightly caramelized bacon. I just still gotta make the mushrooms and cream sauce.
This entree includes lobster ravioli.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Unless you know you don't want to take the competitor idea.
It has nothing to do with what I'm making. It's just what it's called.
So there's no lobster inside of your lobster ravioli.
Well,
Phony!
Theoretically.
If I were to cut this open, would there be bread inside? Because you should totally do that.
Yeah, but I.
Then it doesn't matter if the Play-Doh mixed. I already do that.
Okay.
Play-Doh's not going to last.
Well, in that case.
I'm joking. It's totally going to last. Don't do it.
You don't want me to mix it?
No.
Oh, but you did it.
Yeah, not on purpose.
Oh.
I didn't realize. Cream sauce. Although I may need to mix some right now to make my cream sauce color. I need white. Alright guys, so I am almost done making this a creamy color.
I'm pretty much done, but this stuff needs to go back on. What's the next category again?
Side.
Side, okay. Think about that.
Or sides if you're doing more than one.
What sides are good? Something with carbs. Potatoes.
Smear it a bit.
What's that?
You won't know until the end.
Oh, it's your sauce.
Or if you were just paying attention.
It's because I didn't realize it was your sauce because it's not that white.
What would you like me to use for the white, Jack Black?
I don't know, white. I'm joking.
My bacon's falling apart. Yours looks way better. But mine will sound fancy once I finish explaining it. So you want to explain yours first?
You explain yours first.
All right, so this is my steak with a cream reduction marshmallow. Wow, can I restart? Can you edit that out? Edit that out, please. All right, this is my steak with my cream mushroom reduction sauce and my slightly caramelized bacon.
My ravioli is injected with a lobster concentrate, which means I got the lobster and I concentrated it. And then I put some marinara sauce with arugula.
Why arugula?
Why not? Just random.
All right. So now we're going to show you guys some pictures.
Okay, guys, we changed our mind about the side and decided to do a dessert challenge.
Yeah.
I'm really excited.
I'm attempting to make something I have no idea how to make. What will it be? So, oh my, I'm gonna gonna do a twist on it anyway.
A little too green.
Use a dark green.
No, that it needs to be lighter.
Put yellow. I forgot we were filming. You know what? I'm not going to do the thing I was going to do anymore, Jackie.
Okay.
I'm going to do something simple and easy and delicious every time. Unless you're allergic to it. Not that it has anything to do with peanuts or something, but like, it's not delicious if you're lactose intolerant.
Most of these things won't be if you're lactose intolerant.
Yeah.
Because you'll be having an allergy attack.
No.
I don't know.
That's not what happens when you're lactose intolerant.
You get bloated, but
You get sick. Not only bloated, but like,
you don't feel so good.
you don't feel good. Is that more key limey?
Yeah, this is better. And I didn't mix it in too much because it looks sort of cool like this.
This needs to be a lighter color. Have you guys ever seen ice cream that looks this pink? If
In
not, it looks
cartoons?
like sherbet. Or sherbet, however you're supposed to say it.
Isn't that pink?
Can I use some of your green?
I think that it's a lighter pink, but yeah, sure.
I love how I already took it when you said, yeah, sure. Oh. Okay, out of you guys, who have ever seen Big Time Rush? Raise your hand.
I remember it existing, but
I
don't remember that much
I
about
loved
it.
Big
I
Time
know you
Rush.
did. But there were always like a bunch of problems and stuff.
That's what made it so interesting. Oh. Done. No, just kidding. That's not my dessert. I stacked up all my dessert, Jackie. Should I do a banana split?
Keep on changing your mind.
I love how I haven't even chosen what I'm making yet. Like, I don't even know. All I know is it involves ice cream at this point because I already made ice cream. And my cone, Jackie, no, I'm making ice cream for sure. But my cone, at this point, my cone has chocolate mixed into it.
That's cool.
I think you won.
What?
I think you won.
Even though I'm taking forever on this?
I think you won everything. Like both of them. Who do you think won? I think you won.
I don't know.
You think you won too?
No.
Yes.
I think that your first one was really good, but the second one, like, it was the sauce that was a little bit weird.
Oh, I thought you were talking about right now. I'm like, you haven't even seen it yet. The first one, it wasn't a competition, Jackie. We were just trying out the molds.
Oh.
Make it down, big break, don't look down, don't hesitate, make it go big time. Make it go big time. Oh. We're not talking at all.
Yeah, I know. We're just
so into
being
it.
so boring right now, but we'll talk now.
Yeah.
Anyway, I'm going to be putting this little adorable lemon, even though it's key lime. It'll be cute.
Key lemon. Is it key lemon pie, Jackie? It's key lemon pie now.
No.
Oh well.
I think you won this one.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm making an ice cream cone.
I don't understand.
It's not very complex. I feel like it doesn't have to be just delicious. It has to look delicious. Your eyes are eating too. Right, Jackie?
Guys, try these delicious foods.
With your eyes. Okay, well mine's horrible.
I like it. Mine's like really tiny.
This is my ice cream cone. It's slanted on purpose.
Here's my key lime pie so far.
I love how this is the size of my ice cream cone and that's the size of her pie. Aw. Oh well.
Hey, Mia, one extra piece of pie that didn't turn out well.
Sure. I actually really want pie right now. Jackie. Ate part of
Too
it.
sour, Mia. What'd you do with the other part?
The part I bit? It's
No,
over there.
the part you threw.
I'm like, the part I bit? It's over there. Make it count, big, break. Don't look down, don't hesitate. Make it go big time. Oh, I forgot to take the picture. I put mine away. Oh well, I guess I don't count. Can we just not take a picture of this round?
I guess.
Oh.
So here's my final result.
Your key lime pie tastes really bad, Jackie.
It's Play-Doh.
I know, but I still ate some of it.
I doubt it.
You didn't see it go in my mouth?
I saw you throw it.
I put it in my mouth. You don't believe me?
I saw you throw it though.
After I bit it and spit it out.
What?
I ate that.
How am I supposed to trust you when you're never telling the truth?
I'm not lying, Jackie. I promise.
Okay.
I bit it and it was disgusting. I spit it out, landed on my leg.
Why'd
I
you
threw
do
it.
that?
You weren't paying attention? Why would I eat it if no one's going to care?
I said, why would you do that?
I don't know. It's funny because when I'm enraged, my voice goes really high. Or I'll scream or cry. Alright, so we're going to clean up after Jackie shows you her finishing touches already, please. I'm tired. I ate Play-Doh. I don't feel good. It's non-toxic, don't worry. Right?
Well, we all know that. Just don't eat it, guys.
Don't do what I just did. You know, people in my class were eating crayons.
Why?
So the teacher gave us all cookies if we would stop eating crayons. Even though I wasn't eating them, I still got one.
There's my pie. Okay, bye.
The end. All right, guys. We'll see you next time on...
And next time is going to be very soon.
We'll see you guys next time on...
Oh, M&J's Toy Review.
Yay!
We made a little intro.